This is the tutorial video of AI Answer Lab. Let's get started. First, we log into the panel. After logging in, we get the main dashboard of AI Answer Lab. This is the AI Command Center, where we manage everything from one place. On the left side, we can see the Workspace section. The first step is to create a new workspace by clicking on New Workspace. A workspace keeps each project separate, so chats, files, and results stay organized. For example, we create a workspace called Business Growth Plan. Now all related work will be saved inside this workspace. Next, at the top, we click on Active Models. Here we choose which AI models we want to use. Let's turn on ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek. Now, when we send a prompt, all three AI agents will respond at the same time. On the right side, we have the Knowledge panel. Here we can upload a document, such as a business report or project brief. Once uploaded, this file becomes an active context. This means all selected AI models will use this information while generating their answers. Now, in the center input box, we type a prompt like, "Create a business growth plan with a clear strategy." After clicking Send, we can see multiple AI models generating responses side by side in real time. This allows us to compare their thinking, structure, and suggestions on one screen. After reviewing the responses, we commit to the best one. Then, we use the action tray at the bottom. First, we click on the LinkedIn Post button. We can see the content instantly reformatted into a clean, engaging LinkedIn style with short paragraphs and a strong opening, ready to post. Next, we click on Email Assistant. The same content is converted into a proper email draft with a subject line, greeting, and professional closing, so we can send it directly. Finally, we click on Summarize. It reduces the full content into short, clear key points, making it easy to read or share as a quick overview. This is how AI Answer Lab helps you work smarter by bringing everything into one simple place.